In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, Assalamu alaikum, lovely students, and welcome back to English with Murtaza. Okay, in today's lecture, we are going to study about negative personality adjectives. Before this, we have studied about positive personality adjectives, and today we are going to study about negative personality adjectives. Okay, these given adjectives can be used to describe the negative personality of any person. Got it? These adjectives are used in a negative sense, and if you want to describe the negative personality of a person, then you can use these adjectives. Okay, let's get started with the first one. The first negative adjective is aggressive. Aggressive means a person who remains ready to fight and attack. वो शख्स जो हर वक्त लड़ने मरने के लिए तैयार रहता है उसे एग्रेसिव कहा जाता है. इट मीन्स जारहाना और लड़ाकू. People don't like aggressive people. Most of the people don't like an aggressive person. Aggressive person is very dangerous for the other people. Arrogant. Arrogant means having an exaggerated sense of superiority and self-importance. उर्दू में इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? मगरूर. एरोगेंट, मगरूर. एक ऐसा बंदा जो एग्जैजरेशन कहते हैं ओवर स्टेटमेंट, किसी चीज को बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बयान करना. तो एरोगेंट इज अ पर्सन हु इज हैविंग एन एग्जैजरेटेड सेंस ऑफ सुपीरियरिटी. बहुत ज्यादा अपने आप को वो सुपीरियर समझता है और अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा अहमियत देता है. तो ऐसा बंदा जो अपने आप को दूसरों से बेहतर समझता है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? एरोगेंट, मगरूर. Allah does not like arrogant people. My neighbor is very rich and he is very arrogant. Bad tempered. Bad tempered means badmizaj. Having an unpleasant disposition. ना कुछ गवार मिजाज रखने वाला. Bad tempered people. Bad tempered mean badmizaj. Nowadays the students have become bad tempered. Bad tempered. Bigheaded. Bigheaded उर्दू में इसको घुमंडी कहा जाता है. Got it? Excessively proud. जो बहुत ज्यादा मगरूर हो उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Big-headed. So this is a person who thinks that he is important than others and he is clever than others. ये वो आदमी होता है जो कहता है कि मैं सबसे ज्यादा अहम हूं और सबसे ज्यादा चालाक हूं. Big-headed. Big-headed. Most of the people will get rich, they become big-headed. Big-headed. Conceited. Conceited कहते हैं मगरूर को, खुद परस्त को. ठीक हो गया? Conceited is a person who thinks that he is better than others. ठीक हो गया? Conceited वो शख्स होता है जो अपने आप को दूसरों से बेहतर समझता है. ये भी मगरूर होता है. मगरूर, conceited, मगरूर. Okay, bossy. Bossy is a person who always loves to give orders to others. वो शख्स जो हर वक्त ऑर्डर देने के लिए तैयार रहता हो, ऑर्डर देने का उसे शौक हो, तो हम कहते हैं he has a very bossy attitude. He is bossy. Egoistic. Egoistic. तो egoistic is a person who always takes care his needs and desires. वो शख्स जिसे सिर्फ अपनी जरूरियात और अपनी ख्वाहिशात का पूरी करने का शौक हो और वो दूसरों की ख्वाहिशात को कुछ ना समझे, तो हम उसे कहते हैं कि he is egoistic. Egoistic, इंफरादियत पसंद. Concerned only with oneself. ये सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता है, अपने आप को अहमियत देता है. And he does not care about other people. Okay, careless, लापरवाह. Careless, लापरवाह. Parents have become careless about their children. Parents should not become careless about their children. Careless means लापरवाह. Okay, next is cheeky. Cheeky. उर्दू में से कहते हैं बदतमीज, बेअदब. Impudent. Impudent. Okay. or you can say showing a lack of respect and politeness. A person who does not show, you can say, respect and politeness to others, that person is called cheeky, gustakh, badtamiz. Okay, my son is a little bit cheeky to me. My son is a little bit cheeky to me. Catty. Catty is a person who always says spiteful things about others. जो दूसरों पे लिए कीना रखता हो, बुग़्ज़ रखता हो, उसे catty कहा जाता है. Most of the women are catty. बदगो, जो दूसरों की बुराई करता हो. Okay, next word is flaky. Flaky is a person who is not reliable. ऐसा आदमी जिस पर आप एतबार ना करो सको, उसे flaky कहा जाता है, जो एतबार के काबिल ना हो. नाकाबिले एतबार शख्स is called flaky. Okay? Dull, उकता देने वाला, boring. Lacking interest and excitement. ऐसा बंदा जिसमें ना कोई interest हो, ना कोई excitement हो, we say he is very dull. Okay, one of my friends is very dull. He is very boring. Dull means boring. Impatient, बेसब्र. ठीक है, a person who can't wait for the things, he is called impatient. Lacking patience, जिसमें patience की कमी हो, सब्र की कमी हो, तो हम उस शख्स को क्या कहते हैं? He is very impatient. I'm very impatient by my nature. I want to get the things done as early as possible. Impatient. Okay, insecure. It is the opposite or antonym of self-confident. You know, we have studied earlier, self-confident is a person who has belief in his abilities, talent and skills. And insecure जो है उसका opposite है. A person who does not believe in his skills, abilities and talent. Insecure, lacking confidence, जिसमें confidence की कमी हो, जिसमें खुद एतमादी ना हो. The last one is stingy or close-fisted. Close-fisted, कंजूस. Stingy is a person who is unwilling to give or spend on others. वो शख्स जो दूसरों को ना कुछ देता हो, ना ही कुछ खर्च करना चाहता हो, तो हम उसे कहते हैं कि he is very stingy, or you can say stingy. Or it is also close-fisted. Close-fisted भी होता है और tight-fisted भी होता है. Close-fisted or you can say tight. Close की जगह T-I-G-H-T, tight. Close-fisted or tight-fisted, कंजूस आदमी. Allah does not like the stingy. My friend is very close-fisted and he does not spend a single rupee on his friends. So this is the end of today's lesson, and it was about negative personality adjectives. By using these adjectives, you can tell the personality of any person. Okay, it's the end of the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.